Listen me guys, this is very serious. Like no one is coming to save your life. No one is coming to to change your life. No one is coming you to motivate. Uh, yes, there can be some person till certain time they can be with you, but I don't think so that for the whole life they will with you. And just ignore the background sounds and this is mic, okay, assume this is a mic. So I had also think, you may also have think that someone, so you are like waiting for something. You can, it can be your success, it can be any year, it can be your it can be anything, okay. And if you are thinking that someone will help you in this your journey to be successful, then you are in a delulu, cause no one will come to save you, no one will come to change your life. Like the parents are kind of different, okay, they will help you but they will not make you to reach at your success. They can help you with they can help you with money, they can help you with graduation, they can help you with the things you want, but the with the success they can't help you. And I also used to think that someone will come and someone will motivate in my whole life, but this never happened, and I don't think so this will happen in future also. And till some time I had also thought about this, that someone will come and wake me at 6 p.m., someone will come and make me success, but nobody came to wake me at early 6 a.m., nobody came to make me the person I want to be, no one came to record my video, no one came to edit my video, no one came to tell me what you have to do. But the only person who will come or who is with you is yourself only. Like now I had realized that no one is going to come to save your life. And this is at beginning was very, horrible. This was like I am alone in this world, who have to do work, who have to do the things I want to do. And but after some time I think that this is good, this is good, because you know what you have to do. Other will just give you opinions and no one will tell you which path you have to choose, where you have to go. And the person who is going to help you is you only. You know what to do, you know what to do, you have to do that. And that's all what I think. And as I realized that my life is my responsibility, then I thought that if I will not do the work which I have to do, then no one will come to make sure that you are doing that work. Like I'm still don't want to record the video, but I have to, because I know that I if I will not, then no one will come to make sure that you are recording the video. I still used to be lazy. I am lazy in my studies, I am lazy in recording videos, I am lazy in editing the videos. But still I know that if I will not do, no one will come to do that. And as you will also think that no one is gonna come and tell you what you have to do, no one is gonna come and do your things, then maybe you will be also do that work by yourself. And my future will be decided on what I chose, what I will do today. In the last videos I had talked about this also, that what you do today will uh, it will compound and it will become your maybe success, or it can be anything. Okay, so your dreams know that what you do today, they don't know what you feeling today. So just you have to do your work. Don't think that someone will come and someone will change your life completely. No, if someone will come, then after, maybe after some time, he will go or she will go. Don't just be irresponsible about your life, as I was till last year. Maybe it sounds very harsh, but maybe it's hard. Maybe it's harsh, but think it positively that if you are taking your decisions, if you are responsible, if you know what to do in your life, you can do it freely. You will be free. Then you don't have to wait for anyone. You don't have to wait for someone who will come to make your life good. Then you can start by right now. You can start after realizing that no one is coming to save you. Then you can start today. Then you will take a small step. Then you will move at that path. And if you will do that, then you can be closer to your success. And as I told you, if you will start, then definitely you will reach at the end. Okay, so just start your journey. And I don't know what I uh, talked about, but I think that is what I was thinking, and I just told you. And if you think I'm correct, that's very good. If you don't think I'm correct, just comment down below. Comment down the below. Comment down the below. Comment down below to make me correct. Okay, just make me correct, because I'm also learning. I'm also same as you, a person who is 16 years, just trying to explore the things, or just exploring the things. Okay, yeah. So if you agree with me, just comment down below. And if you don't, also comment down below that why don't you agree with me. So I think that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.